Guess what? My sweetie took me someplace else with a lot of cars. And we're gonna show you one right now.
Check out my many other videos of cars in this collection of hot rods and classics. I'm Victor Sane, and thank you for visiting Saneauto. We're glad to be taking you with us to the Birmingham World of Wheels. We're going to focus in on one of these fine vehicles so you can get a better look. Can you tell what it is just by the sound of the engine? We love doing a wide variety of vehicles, car shows, and cruise-ins, so make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. That way you don't miss anything. If you didn't already figure it out, I'm sure the Prancing Pony gave it away. We're looking at a 2010 Ferrari California. The 2010 Ferrari California accomplished a lot of firsts for Ferrari. First front engine Ferrari with a V8. First to feature a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. First with a folding metal roof. First with a multi-link rear suspension. And first with direct fuel injection. Bosch produced the direct fuel injection system. The 4.3 liter delivers 453 base horsepower at 7,750 RPM. That's 358 pounds per foot of torque. The whopping 106 base horsepower per liter of the engine displacement is one of the highest for a naturally aspirated engine. The stock 2010 California had a top speed of 193 miles per hour, and it could accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers, that's 62 miles per hour, in under 4 seconds without the HESCO tuning. The California reached the same 0 to 60 as a F430 due to the dual clutch transmission. Now who knows what it can do after HESCO did their magic? Maybe the owner will comment below and tell us. Here are some of the many other fine vehicles at the 2018 World of Wheels in Birmingham, Alabama. Time for shoutouts for some fine people with some great YouTube channels who comment on our videos a lot and watch our videos a lot. Pusa Studios, Cup of Spring. If you've been watching and commenting on our videos, you are cool. If you want a shout out too, first fill a YouTube channel with great content. Then watch and comment our videos. A lot. And if you want to return the shout out, that would be awesome. Watching our videos.
Gracias por ver nuestros videos.
If you've watched many of our videos, you'll notice we do a wide variety of vehicles.
Si tú lo vio algunos de nosotros videos, tú sabes que nosotros haga un montón de diferentes tipos de carros.
If you want us to film your vehicle, please let us know in the comments below.
Si tú le gusta nosotros filmar tu auto, por favor, deja tu comentario ahí abajo después de toca de campaña y inscribirse. Gracias.
Ciao.
Bye bye. Here's Victor to tell you about the wonderful vehicle in this video. Aquí está Victor para decirte todo sobre este maravilloso auto en el video.
Today's featured vehicle is a
Shelby.
Today's featured vehicle.
Supercharged Shelby.
Today's
And here's Victor to tell us about the wonderful vehicle in this